Hello everyone, this is Jyoshana. I am completed my degree in Bachelor of Computer Applications from Warangal in Telangana state. One of my friends suggested about the eVision Technosir. eVision Technosir is the best IT recruiter and consultancy. I have joined daily online classes in that to get the job, and I learned about the basic networking, Windows administration, CCNA, cyber security, and ITIL. In Windows administration, I learned about the what is networking, what are topologies, what are OSI layers, and what is about LAN, MAN, WAN, etc. In Windows administration, I have learned about how to create a user active directory, DHCP configuration, Outlook configuration, joining and troubleshooting. In cybersecurity, I have learned about the fundamentals and protocols of routing and switching. In cybersecurity, I have learned about the how to crack a password from the Kali Linux. In ITIL, I have learned about the incident of problems and management, etc. so on. eVision Technosir has the best faculty and in the theory part as well as the practical part. They will explain in a very easy understandable way for every student. eVision Technosir is the best platform to get the best job in the MNC companies. I am very happy to be a part of eVision Technosir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, eVision.
Join eVision, join job.